I'm Channon Rose, and in today's video I am going to be talking to you guys about how I weaned Snow from breastfeeding and kind of just answering some of you guys' questions. So first and foremost, I just want to say I am a first-time mom. I only have one baby. I'm no expert in any of this. I'm just kind of giving you guys stuff that I've learned. For the most part, I have no idea what I'm doing, and I'm kind of just learning as I go. And a lot of times you guys teach me stuff and I learn a lot from you. So thank you all for always putting constructive criticism in the comment section. So if you clicked on this video, you're most likely breastfeeding, planning to breastfeed, or you are looking or thinking about weaning your baby. And I know I watched plenty of videos like this and I really didn't learn much. So I kind of wanted to share with you guys how I weaned Snow, just personally how I did it. And that is basically that we started trying to give her a bottle. So to give a little bit of a backstory, Snow was exclusively breastfed. She would breastfeed on demand, so whenever she wanted, and she was the type of baby that loved breastfeeding and just like loved mommy milk in general. And so I knew it was going to be extremely difficult to wean her, or at least I thought it would be. I was really scared to wean her because she was not showing any signs of wanting to stop nursing. I also felt this like huge flood of like mommy guilt for stopping. I had wanted to stop a while ago to try to get on medication just for like my mental health, and I couldn't do it. It was just too hard for me. And so that is kind of around the time that I slowly started to try to introduce a bottle to her. Now she's right now almost 16 months. And so most of the time, like, you probably wouldn't give a bottle to someone that age or baby that age. Maybe you do, I don't know. You know, you try to like get them away from that. But it was the closest thing to a nipple, you know, from breastfeeding. And she didn't want to take the bottle at first. And so we kind of just kept offering it to her, and eventually she would just like take a little bit of it and then be like, okay, I'm done, you know, give me the boob. But it was a slow transition, but over like a few months we were doing this, and very slowly introduced her to start using the bottle, because again, she never really used a bottle. She just exclusively nursed from me, and we didn't start giving her the bottle till during this time to try to get her to slowly start weaning. We were giving her plant-based milk because she's vegan. Our whole family is plant-based, and she actually really liked the plant-based milks. We're giving her all types of, not just one, soy milk, cashew milk, almond milk, all different kinds of milks, and she likes all of them. The first one we started out with was this sweetened vanilla soy milk. Silk was the brand or something like that, and she really liked it. And so we started with that, and then we were like, let's see if she'll drink like the regular milk that's not sweetened, and she was fine with that. And eventually she started drinking milk out of the bottle. Now during this time we were still nursing her, but we were also giving her the bottle over, you know, a period of like 2 or 3 months. And then once I found out I needed to do IVF, I ended up just cutting her off as soon as I knew I was gonna have to go on hormones. And so she was still nursing during that time. It was kind of cold turkey thing, even though we had slowly been weaning her. So now it's been over a week since I've weaned her. I think it's been harder on me than it's been on her. Also, I might be getting questions about this bra. I don't know if you guys have like your favorite nursing bra. I went through so many. I was sent so many. I'm so lucky. This bra that I'm wearing right now is the Simple Wishes bra. Throw all of your nursing bras away. You do not need any other nursing bra except for this one. It's the only one I use. It's so comfortable. It's so affordable. It's $20 for like an all-in-one nursing bra. You guys, you can pump with this bra. You can also nurse with the bra. In my opinion, I love it. It has this extra band of support if you want to pump and nurse at the same time, and I just love that it's really comfortable. Let me tell you what the name of it is. It is the Foundation All-in-One Nursing and Pumping Bra, and I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box for you guys. It's so cute. I love it, and it's just so freaking comfortable. By far my favorite. Also comes with matching underwear. Ooh la la! It's so sexy. And then I also have it in nude or beige. I love these bras. They feel like sports bras. You know, like I hated wearing regular bras. I just don't own very many of them. I would always just wear sports bras. And then I found these and I was like, oh my gosh, the heavens have rained upon us. I got rid of all of my other nursing bras, and literally I live in these. I'm not even nursing Snow anymore and I'm still wearing it. So that just kind of goes to show. And for the price, it's like, why would you buy any other bra? If you are nursing, plan to nurse, you need this. I'm just saying. You can get matching underwear too, so cute. They were nice enough to sponsor this video, so thank you so much. We love our sponsors here and we always love to show support to them. So again, just a huge shout out to Simple Wishes. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video and for making the best nursing and pumping bras in the whole entire world. So again, this is what it looks like. To me, I think it's even sexy. It's like comfortable, sexy, so functional. You don't feel just like a mom, you feel like a human in these. Super easy to like unsnap and snap back. Very like user friendly, very supportive also, which I think is very important, especially when you're nursing. They'll both get a little heavy, girl. So yeah, would highly recommend them, love them, and I really love that they sponsor this video, so thank you very much. It's so cool to get sponsored by brands you love and actually use and trust and would recommend even if you weren't getting paid for it, you know what I'm saying? So thank you so much to Simple Wishes. Again, we'll leave that link down in the description box below. Okay, so it's been a week and I want to give you guys a little bit of an update. Snow has not nursed on me since I started hormones. She has tried, even after a week, she has tried to pull my boob out of my top and nurse, and I thought it was gonna be way worse. She has like thrown tantrums and gotten upset, and some people were like, oh, it'll only be a few days of your baby getting upset and then, you know, she'll be fine and just give her the bottle. That's not been the case for me. She still gets upset, and it's been like, I want to say it's been like 9 days since I stopped nursing her. My boobs have been tender and sensitive. I wouldn't say they're like extremely painful because I feel like I was slowly weaning her over like months and months. It kind of helped me out in that department because it wasn't like, okay, I'm nursing her full time and then all of a sudden the next day I'm like quitting cold turkey. Although it kind of felt like that a little bit because I was still nursing her at nighttime, and during the day, like she would nurse maybe 30 seconds to a minute, maybe like once or twice a day. That's like what I got her down to. And then always at nighttime. But anytime she got hurt, I would immediately put her on the boob because that was like her comfort and her safe place. And so now when she gets hurt, she looks at me and I'm like, I feel horrible. Like I literally feel like the worst mom in the world because I'm like, oh my gosh, like she doesn't know why she can't have her safe place. I feel really bad. But at the same time, I had a really good reason to stop nursing, and I feel like if I wasn't doing IVF, I would totally just keep nursing her because I really didn't have a reason to stop, and I wanted her just to stop when she was ready. But because we are doing IVF, that's the reason why, you know, I cut her off. And it was mainly because I just don't want her getting the hormones that are in the medications I'm taking to prep me for this IVF cycle to have another baby. So again, I have totally felt the mom guilt. I felt bad. I think it's been harder on me than like I said, than it's been on her. There are certain times, you know, when she gets upset, but she gets over it really quickly. All we do, and this is like my advice, it might not work for everyone, but it's worked for us, is that the second she starts to go for my boob, I have a bottle ready and I put the bottle in her mouth and she's good. After that, she's fine. She doesn't keep trying to go for me. But if I don't have a bottle or something to feed her or distract her from going for my boob, then she will get upset. So always just have something to replace instead of, you know, her being on the boob or him being on the boob. So at nighttime, because she always nursed at night, whenever she wakes up at night, we have a bottle on the nightstand. I pick her up, I get her out of bed, and I give her, and I nurse her with the bottle. And she's been really great with that. And it's really nice too because now Travis and everybody can help me feed her, you know. It's used to just completely rely on me when I was exclusively nursing her. Don't get me wrong, I'm really gonna miss that bond with her. I thought it was so special, and I love being able to just hold her close, and I like miss it already, you know. And I think that's why for me it's been hard. The mom guilt, but also just like that closeness that I have with her. And I was like, I'm gonna miss that. She's, you know, a toddler now. She's not gonna want to stay with me for a long period of time or like cuddle with me. But I was really surprised, you guys. She loves cuddling with me. So she'll come and just like lay close to me and like want to be near me even though she's not nursing on me. And so that makes me feel so much better because I was like, I'm gonna miss that, you know. But it's actually going really well. I will keep you guys updated if you want update videos on how it's going. I wasn't having any like leaking boob issues or anything like that. Although a few days ago, she started crying and my boobs started leaking. That's never happened to me before. It could just been like I was really engorged in, you know, hormones. But other than that, it's been fine. I haven't tried to like pump the milk out or express milk. I did a little bit in the shower the other day, but I felt like it didn't really do much. So I was just like, I'm fine. And I I've been good. I was scared I was gonna get, what is that thing called when you get backed up and it makes you really sick? Oh, I can't remember. I got it one time and it was awful. I was scared I was gonna get that and I didn't. So everything is going really well. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Again, a huge thank you to Simple Wishes for sponsoring this video. I love you guys so much. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in my next video.